Welcome to my Vitamix E520 review. This model builds on the popular E310 design while adding convenient automatic settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. You'll appreciate how the low-profile container fits easily under most kitchen cabinets, making storage simple in any space. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies or tackling tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice, the E520's powerful motor handles the task with ease. The preset programs take the guesswork out of blending times, while the Pulse feature gives you precise control when you need it. The E520 packs a robust 2-horsepower motor that tears through tough ingredients with ease. Your morning smoothies will be silky smooth in seconds, even when loaded with frozen fruit and ice. Those hardened stainless steel blades spin at incredibly high speeds to pulverize ingredients. You'll notice they make quick work of everything from ice cubes to raw vegetables. The 2.0 horsepower motor delivers consistent power for all your blending needs. Whether you're making nut butters or crushing ice, the E520 maintains steady performance without bogging down. Although it's indeed very powerful, this blender runs quite loud, so you might want to avoid early morning blending if you have light sleepers in the house. If you want a quieter Vitamix blender, then I recommend checking out the new Ascent X series. Link in the description box. The variable speed dial on the Vitamix E520 gives you precise control over the blending power. You can start slow for chunky salsas or crank it up for perfectly smooth purees. The E520 comes with 3 pre-programmed settings that make blending easier. These automated programs take the guesswork out of your blending tasks. Your 3 program options include smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Each setting adjusts the blending time and speed automatically for optimal results. When you're making smoothies, just add your ingredients and press the smoothie button. The blender will run through a specific pattern of speeds and automatically stop when your drink is perfectly blended. The hot soups program runs longer and creates enough friction to heat your ingredients. You'll get steaming hot soup without needing to use your stove. For frozen treats, the dedicated program helps you create everything from sorbets to ice cream. The blender varies its speed to break down frozen ingredients into a smooth, creamy consistency. The lack of a digital timer might be noticeable if you're used to higher-end Vitamix models, yet the preset programs help compensate by handling the timing for you. Your E520 comes with a set of convenient accessories that enhance your blending experience. The package that I'm reviewing includes 2 20-ounce tumbler cups, perfect for taking your smoothies and drinks on the go. Each tumbler features a secure, spill-resistant lid that makes transportation hassle-free. Storage tip: your tumbler cups can nest inside each other when not in use, saving valuable cabinet space. The blender includes a low-profile 64-ounce container that fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. This BPA-free container is made from durable Triton material and features measurement markings on the side. A tamper tool comes standard with your E520, helping you push ingredients toward the blades when making thick mixtures like nut butters or frozen desserts. Clear measurement markings on the side help you add ingredients with precision. The container also includes a spill-proof, vented lid with a removable plug for adding ingredients while blending. The blending container connects securely to the base with a simple twist motion, and you'll also appreciate the ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip when pouring. As many of the Vitamix E520 blender reviews will tell you, a super convenient feature is the self-cleaning capability. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run for 60 seconds, and rinse clean. Now for the pros and cons section of my Vitamix E520 review. Starting with the pros: makes perfect snow-like crushed ice, capable of hot blending, excellent build quality, includes preset programs for easier operation. As for the cons, a fairly loud operation. Not as many preset programs as newer Vitamix blenders. And finally, it's still pretty expensive, and for the price, I'd go for the Vitamix 5200 or a new model for the Vitamix Ascent X series if I were you. So, as we near the end of my Vitamix E520 review, let's see if this blender is right for you. The 64-ounce container gives you plenty of capacity for family-sized portions. The included pair of 22-ounce tumblers with straws adds nice versatility for personal smoothies and drinks. The automatic blending programs make operations simpler, giving you an advantage over the basic E310 model. Just turn the dial to your desired program and let it run. In their Vitamix E520 reviews, some users report the E520 being quite loud during operation. If noise level is a major concern for you, other models like those from the new Ascent X series are definitely the way to go. I'll leave a link in the description. The classic container design creates an effective vortex for smooth blending. You can make everything from smoothies to hot soups to nut butters with professional quality results. However, some people do prefer the taller container from the Vitamix 5200 model. While slightly harder to find than other Vitamix blenders, the E520 delivers reliable performance and versatility. Although I do think there are better options in the current Vitamix lineup, you can't go wrong with the Vitamix E520 either.